Looking to boost your landing page conversions? Before you buy Convertize, here are 12 things you need to know to help you make the right decision. Stick around till the end to see how it compares to other options on the market. First, Convertize offers a variety of smart features to help optimize your landing pages. The software uses behavioral triggers, like time spent on the page or scroll depth, to customize the experience for each user. This can help you improve conversion rates without needing to dive into complex code. Next, the platform's A/B testing tools are solid, but they're not as intuitive as some competitors, like Unbounce or Optimizely. If you're new to testing, there might be a bit of a learning curve here. But for those familiar with optimization, Convertize provides everything you need to run tests and analyze results. The third thing to consider is Convertize ease of use. While it's generally user-friendly, the interface can feel a bit cluttered at times, especially when you compare it to platforms like Leadpages, which offer a cleaner experience. If you're someone who values simplicity, this could be a slight drawback. Now, let's talk templates. Convertize has a decent selection, but it doesn't quite match up to the variety and quality you get with other platforms like Instapage. If template variety is important to you, you might feel a bit limited here. The fifth thing is the customization options. While Convertize does offer customization, it's not as flexible as competitors like Elementor or Thrive Architect, which offer more advanced design controls. If you want complete control over every element of your landing page, Convertize may not be the best choice. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the support. Convertize offers decent customer support through email and live chat, but it lacks the depth of resources that platforms like ClickFunnels provide, like comprehensive training and a large community. So, if you value extensive support, Convertize might not be the best option. Next, Convertize integrates with a wide range of tools, including email marketing services, CRMs, and analytics platforms. This makes it a good fit for businesses that already use multiple tools to manage their marketing stack. However, the integration process isn't as seamless as some competitors, like Leadpages, which offer smoother integrations. Now, let's talk about pricing. Convertize offers a competitive price point, especially for small businesses, but it's still not as affordable as some of the more budget-friendly options like MailerLite or Card. If cost is your main consideration, these might be worth exploring. The ninth thing to consider is the mobile responsiveness of your landing pages. Convertize does offer mobile-friendly designs, but you might have to do a bit of tweaking to get them looking just right. Platforms like Unbounce and Instapage make this process much easier with their automatic mobile optimization. The 10th point is the analytics. Convertize provides essential data about your page's performance, but it doesn't have the depth of analytics you get with tools like Google Optimize or VW. If you're a data-driven marketer, this could be a deal breaker. Moving on to the 11th point, Convertize includes a few advanced features, like personalized content and urgency pop-ups, which can definitely help boost conversions. But if you're looking for a more advanced all-in-one solution, platforms like ClickFunnels or Leadpages might offer more features. And finally, while Convertize is great for optimizing landing pages and increasing conversions, it's not an all-in-one marketing platform like some of its competitors. If you need more than just landing page optimization, you might want to consider a more comprehensive solution like ClickFunnels or Kartra. In conclusion, Convertize is a solid option for landing page optimization, but if you're looking for a more user-friendly platform with more features, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.